Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making puff puff. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel after watching this video. We will need 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 4 cups of lukewarm water, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of sugar, 2 packs of active dry yeast, and some vegetable oil to fry. I'm going to go ahead and add the yeast into the warm water, and the reason I'm doing this is to wake the yeast up from its dormant package state. The warm water actually dissolves the yeast and bring the yeast to a temperature favorable for fermentation. Hey guys, if you're watching this and you're not subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also the notification button so that you will be notified when we upload our new videos. So I'm just going to mix all that and keep it aside, and then I will add the salt and the sugar into the all-purpose flour and mix it also. So the outcome of your puff puff mostly depends on how well you mix it. I'm going to stir the yeast in the lukewarm water, and you see it's dissolved, and then I'll add about a cup in the flour and mix. Add another cup and continue to mix. Like I said guys, I use about 4 cups of water to mix the puff puff. You'll see me adding more water later. And don't forget, it's lukewarm water I'm using, not cold, not too hot. From the beginning, before I knew how to make puff puff myself, I used to search online, and most of the recipes I found online were sometimes too soft or too thick for my liking, so I kind of settled in the middle. When I'm done mixing, I'll cover it with some plastic and foil wrap, and then I'll put it in an oven which I preheated for just a minute for about 1 hour or an hour and a half. It's been about an hour and 20 minutes guys, and as you can see, our puff puff has doubled in size, so we are going to go ahead now and start frying. I'm going to go ahead now and wash my hands and start cutting my puff puff. This is my own method of cutting the puff puff to give round ball. Some people like to use spoon, or maybe they have their own ways of cutting it. So you can go ahead and use whichever method you want. Remember guys, we are frying on medium heat. You don't want the heat too hot because the puff puff will burn immediately if the fire is too high on there. And if your puff puff is getting too brown too soon, you should know that it's getting burned and it's not ready inside. Look at the colors, guys. It's golden brown. I think it's ready. I'm going to go ahead now and take it out and place it on paper napkin so that the remaining oil can drain. I'll go ahead now and cut the second round. As you can see, I still have about 2 or 3 more rounds to fry. I'll go ahead now and speed up the video, and I'll fry this one. So guys, which is the best to eat with puff puff? Is it beans or pap akamo? Let's discuss in the comment section below. Guys, I finished frying off camera, and this is the final result. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video. Bye.